Alright guys, we got a pack of Darkness Ablaze today, so let's get right into it. As always, I'm excited to pack here every single day for y'all here on the channel. Here is the code card for anybody who is interested, and we go 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. Let's see what we get today. We have that Grass Energy with a Pan Sage. Is that what I wanted? No, it's Semi-Sage, my bad. We have a Mareep. We have a Snubble. We have a Tauros. We have a Rookity, a Mr. Mime, we have a Hippopotamus, and an Ampharos. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Bye guys!